100 years. Forgotten. Look at this place. 100 years. Abandoned. Soft. All of it. Soft. Soft. Roof first. Then everything.
Clear it all. Every vine. Every vine. Every branch.
The overgrowth clears. The front porch is revealed. Rotten wood, collapsed railing.
All right, let's begin.
The whispers of the past echoed through the shattered rafters, a symphony of decay.
The whisperer. Gone. All of it gone. Pull it. All of it. Don't stop.
Look at these beams. Rotted through. 100 years of rain.
Out. Every rotten piece. Out. New bones. Stronger bones. Heavy wood dropping. Pulley chains. Metal on metal.
The whisperer. Steel. This house will stand another 100 years.
The whisperer. The skeleton of the new roof frame takes shape. Modern, clean, geometric. Strong. The art of slate roofing. A precise and meditative dance. Each tile, a whisper of permanence. The time-lapse captures the transformation. Every tile, placed with precision, turning a skeleton into a solid.
Finished. Roof done.
The whisperer. The restorer's hand runs along the gutter edge. Clean. New. Satisfaction.
Walls are dead. But the bones are good.
Deep. Structural. Fixable. All fixable.
Keep the pressure high. Wash it. Every inch.
Good. Good bones under all this. New mortar. Every joint. Insulate, seal, protect. Timber up top, stone. Heat stays in, cold stays out. Luxury starts now. Floor to ceiling. Every room gets light. Bring the outside in. New door, solid oak. Exterior done. Inside. Look at this. The floor is gone. The stairs are gone. Everything. Clear it. Everything. Every piece. Keep sweeping. This place is going to be amazing. Deep ocean epoxy. Layer by layer. Heat. Heat, heat, polish, polish, mirror finish, mirror finish. Strong, but weightless. All right, benches are out. Walls next. Finished. The heart of this house. The heart of this house. This hallway. Dark, tight, dead. Strip it. Everything. To the bones. Wider, higher, lighter. Same oak, same line. No breaks. Light, warm light. Every step. Now, nature took it back. We take it back. Cut the tree. Clear the room. Everything out. Wait. Look at this. This stays. We restore this. The fire popped. Same oak, wide planks. This room flows from the hallway. White walls for the fire. Ceiling matters. Don't waste it. Heat. Heat. Good.
Every detail, every texture. Together.
Floor-to-ceiling shelving. For books, for art, for life. Style it. Make it a home, not a showroom.
Everything cleared. Wallpaper stripped, ceiling pulled down, crystals carefully collected. The wall is opened. Look at that. Look at that. The old light lives again.
The kitchen is the worst room in the house. Collapsed ceiling, rusted oak and sink, cabinets hanging by sink.
Gut it, everything, to the dirt, bigger, open it up. Island here, windows there, more light, more space, more room to cook, to live, big space, bigger than it looked, good. Pipes, wires, gas lines, everything brand new, everything in place. Looks good, time to seal it up.
Naturalist. Large format porcelain tiles that look like natural limestone. Light gray, 48 by 48 inches Reese.
The library. Small, dark, sad. Wait, look, this stays. Exposed. This is the room's soul.
The renovation is complete. The original brick cleaned and sealed, and the secret implemented. Watch the installation.
Not oak. This room is different, special. Brick, green, walnut. A man's room. The shelves filled with books, old and new. A crystal decanter with amber whiskey on a silver tray on the desk.
Gut it all. Every room, every floor, every wall. Blank, ready, let's build.
Same oak, same thread, every room connected, white everywhere. But the bed wall, warm, taupe, vaulted, glass, floor to ceiling, the forest, every morning. But sleep matters. Hidden blinds, in the ceiling, in the sitting, the bed, low, wide, dark oak, facing the forest. Wardrobe, hidden handles, push to open. This is a home. 100 years ago, slept here in the dark and cold. Now there is light, warmth, and peace. Satisfaction.
Through here, the master bathroom. This is the next level.
Large format gray stone look porcelain tile. But first radiant floor heating installed underneath. Warm stone under 100 years ago, a child slept here, dreamed here, save a piece, the rabbit, the moon, frame it. This room remembers, we respect that.
The attic. The whole top of the house. Forgotten, full of old things. But look.
Less is more. Lounge, move, work. This room does everything. Not one purpose, less is more.
Down, below, the basement, the last hidden space.
Damp, below everything, the bones, solid, 100 years solid, dry it, seal it, water out, forever, can't build in water, first, dry, then, everything.
Inside is done. Now, outside. This is the final act.
The back, destroyed, like the front was. Clear it, level it, start fresh. Deck, dark timber, same as the house, connected. Step out, from the living room, onto the deck, into the air. The journey began with a vision. Stripping back the old, we carved a new foundation. Timber laid with precision. From the foyer's ocean floor to this. Water, always water, same thread. Pavers clicking, grill sliding in.
Let's walk through. One last time.
Finished. The heart of this house. The heart of this house.
Floor to ceiling shelving. For books, for art, for life. Style it. Make it a home, not a showroom.
The shelves filled with books, old and new. A crystal decanter with amber whiskey on a silver tray on the desk.
This is a home. 100 years ago, slept here in the dark and cold. Now there is light, warmth, and peace. Satisfaction. Lounge, move, work. This room does everything. Not one purpose, less is more.
Not the same house, a better one.
The bones were good.
100 years of bones.
Everything else is new.
But the bones remember.
Finished. Satisfaction. The door closes, the footsteps fade.
Rust to luxe. Abandoned to luxury dream home. Subscribe for the next transformation.